Good day, I'm Lucas de Klerk, Chairman of the Reward Ratepayers Association, RRA. Reward Ratepayers Association put God and His authority first. The Reward Ratepayers Association is not a political association or political party, but must take part in political elections to get presentation on the Town Council of Reward. Established in 1997 to serve the residents of Reward. Why you as residents of Reward have to vote for the Reward Ratepayers Association. The Reward Ratepayers Association will fight that Reward will be a safe place for all the residents, tourists, visitors and investors. The Reward Ratepayers Association will fight that Reward will be free from drugs abuse, drug trafficking and alcohol abuse. The Reward Ratepayers Association will fight to bring a rehabilitation center in Reward of outside Reward. The Reward Ratepayers Association will make sure that the residents get better service delivery and uninterrupted services. The Reward Ratepayers Association will make sure to draw investors to Reward with investors conferences to hold. Reward Ratepayers Association will make sure that Reward Town Council will be free of corruption, transparent, responsible with strong business-orientated administration. Reward Ratepayers Association will see that born residents be first when job creation, land and housing available. Reward Ratepayers Association will see that all spiritual days and historical days will be respect and honor. Reward Ratepayers Association will bring or avail service land to the residents. Reward Ratepayers Association will upgrade the sport facilities to international standards and build new stadium. The Reward Ratepayers Association will have open door policy. Vote RRA, vote for the Reward Ratepayers Association.